In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Google Play Store country on Poco C75. Open the Play Store, tap on your Google profile, tap on payment and subscriptions, tap on payment methods, tap on more payment settings. Now tap on add a payment method, enter your card number, cardholder name, and here you get the billing address. So simply tap on it. I will select the country, for example, United Kingdom. Now you have to just enter the card details and your Play Store region will be changed. So this is how you can change Google Play Store country on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.